Hey YouTube, Eastwood Park. Give me a little hike in today. If I upload this to YouTube, this will be my 200th YouTube video. Been laying around too much. Hope that's straight. Let's see. See the trail. Well, Metro Parks told me they cut this tree out. I should be able to get under it. Okay, I guess they did. Used to be about that much across the trail here. Man, a big old limb down. I can't get over it there. Let me go this way. I don't want poison ivy either. Here we go. I got through. This is the second part from last year's hike. I know if I go this way, it'll take me all the way around the park. I want to go this way. This will take me to a dead end. I'm already starting to get winded. I should have started doing this back in April or March. It is April. No, it's March, isn't it? No, it's April. Duh. Seemed like somebody trimmed this out a little bit. It used to be overgrown last year. Let me shut this off for a minute. Brought my Camelback with me. That's what this is for. Carry water out my back. Need to get insulator for the hose. Water gets warm when it sits in the hose. I fill up the reservoir with ice first, then I top it off with water. That lasts you damn near all day. 100 ounces of water and ice. That's the train tracks up there. This old man has to stop once in a while to catch his breath. Real dim. That's the canoe way or kayak way. Goes around the Eastwood Park. It's only probably 2 or 3 feet deep to the most. People fish in it sometimes, but I've never seen fish in it. Just too windy today to ride my bike. I don't like riding into the wind. I'd rather hike. I got a few YouTubers, about 3 or 4 of my subscribers, that wants to bike or hike with me. No, sorry guys. I'd rather do it by myself. I used to bike with an old friend of mine, and Brian. I'm not gonna say his last name. He knows who he is. When he ran out of weed, he was hard to deal with. I even gave him my old bike of mine. Got tired of him hearing him bitch about his bike always breaking down on him. I gave him the first mountain bike I ever bought, a Trek 4300. Bought that way back in, when did I buy that? I think the early 2000s or late 90s, but I gave it to him, and I think we rode together three or 4 times after that. We got in a big argument. I told him, I said, Brian, I can ride by myself just as easy as I can ride with you. That was it. That was the last time we rode together. Hiking was out of the question for him. Well, right along the edge here. Hope this doesn't break away on me. I'll be down there in the water. But you people have been asking me to, if you want to hike or ride together. I'm sorry. I'm a loner. I'd rather do it by myself. I'll run into you. I'll stop and chit chat with you. But I'm sorry. I'd rather ride or hike by myself. Another thing is some of you guys, I see you hiking with water jugs. Why don't you just buy a Camelback, wear it on your back? That way your hands are free in case you fall. Walmart have cheap ones. I forget the name of them. But if you want to get a good one, get a Camelback. Just make sure you don't let water sit in it. It'll get mildew in your bag. From there on out, your bag will taste like crap. Every time you use it, rinse it out real good. And get one of their hangers and hang it up to dry out. Oh, this doesn't look too good. Looks like a trip waiting to happen. Yeah, it's getting a little better. Ooh-wee. That's what I get for sitting around all winter. And about a whole month of spring. Oh man, I'm not gonna get past that. Oh Jesus. Yeah, I might be able to. Oh man, come on Metro Parks, clean this out. Wow. Now I'm not in good enough shape yet to climb over all this. I am going to start hiking every day or every other day. There's a lot of trails at Caesar Creek I want to hike. I'm going to start off at 50 Springs, hike that a couple times. That's a 3.5 mile cross country ski trail. That's all flat mostly. And it's got all kinds of mountain biking trails on the other side of Harveysburg, back in the woods there. I like to hike those this summer. And you got the perimeter trail that goes around the south side of the lake. That's 12 miles. I'm going to have to work up to that. Well guys, I'll turn the camera back on when I get back to where I left off at. Stay tuned.